Hi friends, today I am going to show you a simple recipe for preparing Mangalorean chicken sukka. To prepare chicken sukka from 1 kg of chicken, I am roasting 20 bad red chili with few drops of oil for about 20 seconds and then adding curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera seeds. The masala is roasted well. I have left it to cool down and then prepared a powder from it. This masala powder can be prepared and stored in fridge for longer time. It can be used for any veg or non-veg curry. Now to a mixie jar, I have added 20 garlic pods, 3.5 tablespoons of masala powder, 1 onion and little water to prepare the masala paste. In a pan, I am roasting 1 cup of grated coconut until color changes and starts giving nice aroma. And then I have left it to cool down, add it to a mixer and run the mixer for just 2 rounds. I am heating 3 tablespoons of oil with few mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, I have added 3 sliced onion and few curry leaves. The onion is fried now. To this I have added the cleaned chicken, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mixed well and covered and cooked for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am adding the masala paste, half a glass of water and letting it cook for another 20 minutes. Now the chicken is cooked, that is the flesh easily separates from the bone. To this I am adding the prepped coconut and mixing well. The masala is cooked and the consistency is also as needed. Simple and tasty Mangalorean style chicken sukka is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the Home Kitchen. Bye.